Hi, Patty. I miss you.
Let's catch a session.
I want to catch
cool
a
session.
Then we should get drunk and yeah. Tony, Vinny, Brittany. I have a retarded boyfriend. I'm sorry.
No, yeah, you do.
I just burped.
Also, I fucking miss you, dude. Like, we need to kick your ring with you. How's your boy? Michael doing?
Ew.
How's Michael doing?
Tell that first what's up.
Yeah, I'll just make a video for Michael.
Okay.
Alright, so, Nate, we're gonna make a video for Michael. And
Go on, we're making
and the
video.
gay aunt of my girlfriend.
Do you remember we're making a video for? Oh, Patty. Oh no, you don't know my gay aunt. I'm sorry.
No, you don't know the gay one. The maricona. Ow.
Patty, I miss you. About.
Alright, well, we will.
No,
talk.
it's only a minute video. What the
Don't
hell?
fucking wait. You don't need a fucking long ass video for a person.
Yes, I do.
So what are you gonna talk about?
I don't know.
Talk
But
about
it's,
something. Then.
it's something.
Talk about something.
Patty, how are you? How's
Not good.
Cleveland? How's your love life? Dude, I miss when we used to be like close like this.
But now
then
you guys are like this.
We're like this. We're like
Just separate.
we're breaking up.
Hey,
like that.
Liz, dude.
And then yeah, what else?
Hello, Governor.
Remember we
Why don't you love me, Jenna?
don't it's only cute when I say it. Don't say
Nah,
that.
you killed it. You killed it.
You killed it, bitch.
Why don't you love me, Jenna?
No, it's not cute at all. Like it's
It's not supposed to be cute. You don't make it sound cute neither.
Okay, shut up.
And then,
Okay, it doesn't sound cute.
why you talking
either.
shit?
I'm not
Huh?
talking shit. It just doesn't sound right.
Smackaroos? Ah, my nose. I'm a girl.
No, you can't. Patty, I'm
You don't know me, nigga.
say
Now
break
you
yourself.
Break yourself, fool.
Okay, that was gay. Patty.
Right.
Dude, do the story, please. Just
No.
please, Tony. This is like a cute story. It's funny.
This is the gayest story
Just
in the
go on.
fucking world.
Tony, please. If you know.
Or you do the story and I just do the voice.
No.
Alright, so look, how do I the mustache on? Nah,
Go with the mustache.
Nah. Well, the homie, I think you know works. I think his name's Robert. Yeah, he like the homies would like ask him to like hook up the sax. Now he'd be like, right.
I love when he does that. Okay, Patty, it's 2 minutes and 43, 44, 45, 46. Oh, okay. I'm just kidding. I miss you. We have to go. We have to make like another video.
Right. Bye bye.
Wait, come here. Wait, don't. Wait.